What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick update on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So let me show you the clip from my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. Let me see that on my own platform, which is IC Markets. Now here on IC Markets, I normally take my trades on Ovanda, but here on IC Markets, and if that's valid on your own platforms, then you can go for your entries. The way you can enter your trades is from where this candle has started, and you can always go 1 ATR or 1.5 ATR. Let's go 1.5, something like this. So 198 pips right here is something I'm looking at the price to get to for the first target, and the second target can be till at least to this recent high, a second candle below the recent high. So that is something I'll be looking at. A possible push down, push up is expected. Looking at this good bullish engulfer. Again, if that's valid on your own platform, you can take your entries. Perfect. So right here, if you have a valid condition on your own platform, as you can see, if you are my student, you know all the 6 rules are met with a valid bullish swing low engulfing pattern. That happens here on my platform on IC Market. But again, I've not taken this as a trade because I trade net gas on Ovanda, and on my platform, I do not get a valid condition. I could have entered there using this data and exit my trades according to the stops and target of my own platform, which I do sometimes for Forex. But again, to show you that that's a valid pullback entry all the way from here, a nice pullback with a bullish engulfer, that is one of the valid entry condition I try to teach you every single day. Hitting 198 points of take profit, a good and insane amount of money. If you have taken this trade, then you have made some good money. So what to expect from here? Starting with Ovanda, I'm going to go for Nemex and Capital.com as well. So here on Ovanda, nicely pushing up, and I'm still looking at the price to hit high. Now looking at this nice bullish 382 candle. Let me see that if that is a valid candle or not. Looks valid, 382 candle. So that is a valid bullish candle, and that is a valid bullish pressure. So looking at that, we can see some more push up at least to these recent highs, a nice bullish candle. Another signal that price is gonna push up. Nice bullish candle here and a nice 382 candle here. Again guys, we are just in a buy and we are not selling natural gas as long as we are trading above 50 and 20 EM. And expect the price to push up to these highs, at least to this level first. And clearly mentioned in my previous video that price forms an anchor levels when it makes a new high. Right, a new high, anchor level, retest of this anchor level, clearly mentioned, a bullish candle, nicely pushed up, hitting your 2 ATR target easily. So once we've broken above these highs, only then I'm going to start to look for my next pullback entry bullish. So pullback entry will only happen from here or double bottom. If the price comes down here, then that is something I'll be still looking at. For now, a bullish 382 candle that can likely push the price high to these recent highs. Once broken above, pullback and correction is expected, and take another long trades from here. So keep an eye, only buying trades till the price hit the next level of major resistance, which is right up there. On Capital.com, again nicely pushing up from here above 50 EMA. We can see a nice bullish pressure, a bullish candle. That is something I'm expecting a price to push higher from here as well, at least to these recent highs, from where we can start to look for the next pullback entry bullish. For now, only buy trades, and I'm still looking at the price to hit this trend line right up there, the upper level of this trend line, from where we can see pullbacks and a continuation towards the upside to the next level of major resistance. For now, only buy trades, and we are still expecting a price to continue to push higher with pullbacks and keep on taking long trades. Coming here on Nemex. Now, if you're wondering, that's not a valid pullback entry bullish for the students. That invalidates one of my rule. But if you look here, that would be a valid pullback entry bullish if that's a valid engulfing patterns on your own platform. These are the very small details we need to look for of the valid entry conditions. For now, I expect the price to push up further. And again, I'm looking at the level above for the price to get to. So a nice trending market, expect some pullbacks and a continuation towards the upside. For buy trades, I'm only going to look for the break above these highs and then a pullback and a bullish engulfing pattern. For now, we just have these bullish pressures right here. Nice bullish pressure, a bullish candle, a bullish candle. We might see a possible retest of this previous anchor right here. And if you have a bullish engulfer, that will be a minor double bottom to push the price higher as well. So for now, just bullish trades for net gas, and I'm still expecting the price to at least go up to these recent highs. And once broken above these highs, then we are looking at this level for the possible counter trend sell trades, which I'm going to keep you guys informed in my upcoming videos. Coming up, we have gold. Gold is pushed up. Now we have a kind of double bottom, which I mentioned yesterday, and then the price pushed up from here. Now that is not one of my entry condition, but in general, just a bullish pressure above 50 EMA. For the next pullback entry, I want to see a break above at least these highs. Once that happens, once I'm broken above these highs, only then I'm going to start to look for my buy entries. For now, I'm not taking any trades for gold as long as the price break above these highs. In general, if you see we have a divergence in the RSI, that is not a major level of resistance. A level of resistance is right here, which is a minor level, which is 27.12.13 goes up to 27.23.28. From where we can see a possible push down. At this point, price has just formed a minor resistance here with divergence. Looking at that, we can see a possible retracement, deep retracement above 50 EMA. So not buying gold at this point unless and until we are not broken above these highs, and then I'm going to look for the pullback entry bullish. For now, I have this minor zone ready as well in case the price pushes up. It is a zone from where we can see a possible fall out of gold. On daily, again, we are still not broken above completely. In case you are wondering, that is just a rejection. So not confirmed. The breakout is not confirmed yet. So for gold, wait till we are broken above these highs and then buy trades. Otherwise, expect some pullbacks and a possible retest of this previous lows. So no entry for gold at this point. Just wait with patience and look for the valid entries, which is my pullback entry bullish above these highs. So next up we have silver is bounced up from the zone and not broken above below these zones. So that these are the conditions we need to look carefully, and we did not sell as we have not broken below these lows. For now, we did not have any sell condition. That is not a valid bearish engulfer in case you are wondering. So price not broken above 50 and 20 EMA. So we can still look for the pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA. It's going to be weak entry, not a strongest entry. Strongest buy entry will only happen once we are broken above these highs, then a pullback and a bullish engulfing pattern. So that is all I'll be looking at for the silver. We have a next level of resistance which is quite far, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos or tomorrow's video if we have a good momentum above these highs. For now, only buy trades for silver, but for the valid pullback entry, break above these highs, followed by bullish engulfer is something I'll be looking at. You can still look at the valid pullback entry like above 50 EMA or a 382 candle bullish you can look for. If we have a 382 candle, that is a signal that price is gonna push up from here. Lastly, we have crude oil. So crude oil is back in the level of resistance for now. Once we are broken above 77.89 and close as well, once broken and close, in that case, I will just use this zone for my level of support with a pullback. I'm going to buy here till the price hit the next level of major resistance, which is right up there in blue. Otherwise, if you have a strong pullback above 50 EMA and price from bullish engulfer, I'm going to go long from here. So long just above 50 EMA with a pullback entry, or long once we are broken above this zone, and then I'm going to start to look for my pullback above this zone, followed by bullish conditions like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. For now, just wait and see if the price break out above or below. We are still in the minor resistance and still expect some retracement from this level. So that is it for today's analysis. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.